Hello, Panther Nation. My name is Kathy Humphrey, and I serve as the Senior Vice Chancellor for Engagement and Secretary to the Board of Trustees. Today, I'm excited to tell you that we are launching a brand new site called Pittwire Live. Now, on this site, so many people across the university have contributed live and prepared programming so that the Pitt Nation can come together and connect. Some of that programming includes exercise early in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. It also includes lectures, professional development opportunities to hone your skills while you're at home. It also will provide a myriad of entertainment opportunities provided by our Pitt Programming Council. You will be able to connect with your fellow Panthers. We are so excited to provide this opportunity because making connections is at the essence of what a university community is all about. I am so glad we've created this site, for this site is going to provide us an opportunity to meet with each other in spite of our current circumstances. I am Pitt proud, and I am glad that we will have an opportunity to see each other really soon on Pittwire Live. Held to Pitt.